Hi everybody. Today what I'm going to share with you is how I make an Easter basket for a small child. This is for a little girl, but you can change this for a blue bunny, any other color. And the items are few. I got some of these at my local grocery store, some at the local dollar stores. And what I'm going to use is this little multicolored basket. It's not very large, like I said, it's very small. And then we have this shredded paper, multicolored shredded paper. And I have some candies and a few little toys, just a couple because the basket is pretty small. Here's a little jump rope. Here's a little springtime activity booklet. You get some crayons. And then here we have a magic board. And then I have some candy here, a little chocolate bunny, and some Easter eggs that I'm going to fill with these candies. And then I have a cellophane shrink bag that we're going to use to cover the basket. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the little chickies, the little eggs. You can put different colored ones or all one color if it's for a boy. And then you fill them up completely. And then just put them together. And there's your candy. That's cute. Let's do two of those with two kinds of candy. You can put some of these other candies in here, different colored ones. The blue. Just so they can see what they are. And then you close it up. And there you go. Isn't that cute? Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, let me move this to the side. I just take my shredded paper, and I use all of it. And then what I do before that is I take my cellophane bag, and I got these off of Amazon. You can get them on, pretty much anywhere. I put my basket in here first, and that's so I don't mess it up when it's time to wrap it in there, okay? So you can just go and play around with your items. This had the price on there, so that's why I took it off. You can make it one-sided where everything is facing one side, or you can put it both, facing both sides. You play around with it and see what you think. Sometimes I put them in and then I redo the whole thing. Okay, then I put my bunny, because I know he's going to take up some space in here. And then maybe I'll put a little chickie right here. Like that. And then I take my chocolate bunny, and maybe we'll stand him up back here. And then I put my activity pad in here like that. I hope you can see well. And then I have these robin eggs that I can put in here. Seems a bit large, so I might switch these around. Put these in the back. Put this in the front. And then the little chick right here. Just like that. And then maybe the other little chickie, we'll put him up here. Just like that. See how easy that was? You didn't spend a whole bunch of money and not too much candy, more activity things for them to do. So the next thing we do is we bring this up, try to keep everything in its place. We bring and tight. I got some curly ribbon here that we're going to use to tie this up with. best you can. And then you can take your blow dryer or your heating gun and shrink it. And that's what we're gonna do next. So okay, and I have this heating gun. They sell these pretty much anywhere, any craft store. You can get them online. You can just use your blow dryer for this. And then I just shrink it. Turn it around. I try not to hit the chocolate. And I trim the top. This one's not so large. I poop it out. And then I get my bow. I have some ribbon from the dollar store. And I make a little bow. Not very good at making bows, guys. I'm going to be honest. And I just tie it up the best I can. Make a little bow. Then you just finish fixing your bow however you like it, or add another ready-made bow, it doesn't matter. And that's it. See how easy that was? And it's so cute. And like I said, this is for a smaller child, and they're gonna love that. Okay guys, that concludes the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. See y'all later. Bye.